What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I hope you're all safe and well. This is a video of how to fix annoying fault on the Grainfather, which is a thermal cutout. And so as you're coming up to temperature, then it will just cut out and you've got to hit the reset switch underneath, which is quite dangerous when it's full of water or nearing the boil. What I tend to do is just tip it ever so slightly and flick the reset switch at the bottom. Cut a long story short, I contacted Grainfather at info@grainfather.com and explained to them what the issue was. They responded to me with a series of about 12 questions and tests to do. I responded on each of their points. They then sent that on to their technicians and they come back and said that the thermal cutout needs replacing. Now, I must add that I've had this Grainfather for over 5 years now. I had it at the beginning of 2015 and I've not had any issues with the cutout until about 12 months ago. It started happening and it's becoming more and more often. And the last beer that I did, which was an OPA at the end of June, I know, shameful, it cut out about 4 or 5 times, and I haven't changed my my brewing method or the way I clean the bottom every now and again and stuff like that. So I knew it wasn't me. It was something going on with the machine. This is how to replace the thermal cutout. It looks pretty simple, so let's give it a shot. Let's chuck this on the bench. So hopefully you can see that pretty well. Giving it a quick wipe. Gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. I've got 2 different sizes here because I'm not sure which ones will fit best. So take the rubber cap off this. Surprised I haven't lost that yet. Then you've got to take this inside cover off. When you are sent the email to confirm that you need to change the thermal cutout, they do send you a little instruction booklet, or like a 5-page document of how to replace it. And the opening sentence is, must be checked by qualified or carried out. Excuse me, that's our new cockerel. It does say that you must have this work carried out by a qualified electrician, and I'm going to get this checked by my qualified electrician friend, of course. So this is the extension probe, and down at the bottom there is the thermal cutout. So we shall gently prise this off, apparently. Ooh, like so. Something else I've got to try and not lose. And then remove the cutout from the base of the machine with these two screws, that one there and that one there. Apparently there's thermal paste on the bottom of this, which you should ideally replace, but I haven't been able to get hold of any. But if it causes a problem, I can easily take this back off, put paste on, and then reinstall it. Yeah, there's not much paste on that anyway. It just helps the, oops, well now it's ruined. It just helps the conductivity, that's all. Actually, it's like lithium grease. I might chuck some lithium grease on it. I'll check the temperature that lithium grease will go up to, but I've got some of that. Next, we need to remove. Why is he crowing like mad? Next, we need to remove these 2 screws. Don't believe they need to go in any particular order. Okay, should have done this first. This is why we do this. Learn from my mistakes. And there's the other. And there we have it. There is the replacement of the old thermal cutout. There's the code of it if you want to grab one yourself, I suppose. And this is the replacement. Nice shiny new one. I'm just going to clean the rest of the thermal paste off the base here. I really hope this works, because this is becoming unbearable at times. Let's put these on the same way they came off, just in case it makes a difference. Apologies, you can't see very well from there. The cockerel is a result of a successful hatch that we did in April this year. We ended up with 1 white leghorn cockerel and 3 white leghorn chicks, which is or hens, which is pretty good. We've not had any complaints yet. I'll probably cut this bit out. And I'm going to tighten these right down until I've got the other screws in. What's the chances they're going to drop this? Okay, that one's in. Line this one up. Opted against the lithium grease. These things are rated up to 125 degrees and the lithium grease I've got is not. So now we have that on there. Tighten these 2 connectors up. Okay. Then we have the old stick with that plunger on it, and then we have a new one without. So yeah, we'll pop that on there. Ooh. That. Try and line this up. Oh, this is going to be a mish. No way. Oh, don't tell me. Look at that. Grainfather's supplied reset switch extension thingy doesn't fit through the hole. Idiots. This is the old one. Straight through. New one. Right, I'm gonna just get like a 4mm drill bit or something and make this a bit bigger. Madness. Utter madness. Done. So yeah, add to the tools required a drill and a drill bit to make that bigger. You know, it's not difficult to get that right, surely. Let's try again. Spot on. So this now won't fit over the top of this one because it's much bigger, as we've discovered. Well done. Right, let's get it set up, chuck some water in it and give it a whirl. Okay, is he gonna go bang? All good, 15 degrees. Let's get some water in, switch it on. I just popped the filter on because I'm not going to let this water go to waste. Might as well make a beer from it. So, hopefully, no bangs. Current target, let's go for 67 and go. Can't hear it kicking in. Maybe it needs resetting straight off the bat. Oh, no, actually, you just hear it. And off it goes. So I'll cut back once it's up to temp and let you know if it cut out at any point. And seeing as I'm not going to be vlogging this beer that I'm making, it's just going to be my orange pale ale. I'll also tag at the end of the brew day as well, on the back of this video, how I got on with the new thermal cutout. So fingers crossed it's fixed it. We'll see. Pleased to announce, or pleased to confirm, that the fix suggested by Grainfather and the parts they supplied, although I had to adjust that hole a little bit, it's done the trick. Not once did it cut out, and I'm just about to put in the Whirlpool editions of my beer. Didn't go for the OPA in the end. I decided to go for a hoppy pale ale with Citra and Equinox. Why not? Rhymes. So yeah, hopefully that video was of use to somebody. Like I said, just contact info@grainfather.com and just go through the motions with them. They'll diagnose it themselves, and yeah, they'll ping you over a replacement for free and loosely follow my method, and yeah, you should be alright. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for hanging about, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well @Homebrew Griffo. So yeah, Iechyd. See you in the next one. Outro crew. This is the audio crasher. His name is Cluck Norris, which I thought was pretty genius. Made me jump then.